Welcome back, everybody. Automotive. Today we are talking about a new recall that was just dropped from Chrysler in regards to not an old truck, a brand new 2025 Ram 1500. They are basically going to recall 33,777 1500 trucks. Now let's dive deep into it. So the recall is initiated over concern that the Ram 1500 truck may have been built with damaged front wheel bearing encoder rings. Now that encoder ring can affect the wheel speed signal and the electronic stability control, which can lead to an accident. Yes, this is a brand new truck, and we know that Stellantis, Chrysler, Ram, whatever you want to call it, is suffering from a lot of issues right now. They're starting to have issues with a lot of their products in regards to quality control. Now, me personally, was a huge Ram guy for a long time. Not necessarily a big Ram guy anymore, just because they haven't changed their heavy duty enough. In 25, they're not changing it either. But what we're seeing is a quality control issue. We all know Ford's the leader in recalls, but they sell more vehicles than just about anybody, so that's the way it is. Now, as always, guys, you can go to the NHTSA website, type in your VIN. I will link their website down below in the video, and you can go there and check your VIN if you have a 25 and see if it's going to be doing it. Now, the dealers are going to inspect the hub assembly and replace it free of charge. As you guys should know, always know that recalls, no matter how many owners it's changed, the recall, especially safety recalls, should be covered for the life of the vehicle, no matter what owner you are. Now they're saying that they're going to mail those letters on the 19th of December of 24. You can always contact Chrysler by their phone number. I will put that down in the description, and again, the NHTSA website. And I think this number is going to continue counting as they divvy out. I'm not sure how many 25s they've already built and sold. 31,000 is a lot, so some of these vehicles may still be sitting on the lot and be put on a stop sale. Don't really know yet. But yeah, that is another big recall coming from Chrysler. A lot of 25 trucks. We're not even in 25, and they've got a lot of them. And to be already being built with damaged front wheel bearings, just goes to show that every manufacturer is suffering from quality control issues. Hopefully things will improve over time. Before we leave today, guys, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button for me, thumbs up the video, and hit the notification bell so when I post new content. Again, we do everything automotive, so head over to the channel, go up to the search bar, and type in whatever your heart desires, and more than likely I probably have a video on it. If you want a video made on something, make sure you comment in this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.